this video, I am going to discuss exercise 8B of chapter 8 simplification. Here in this exercise, we will apply the method of BODMAS that we discussed earlier in the exercise 8A. So let us start with question first. This question is 3 plus 4 in the bracket multiply 5 is outside the bracket. According to the BODMAS method, we will solve the numbers inside the bracket first. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 multiply 5. So 7 5s are, we get the answer 35. Okay. Come to next question 2. This question is 18 minus 3 divided by 5. Okay. So first of all we will solve 18 minus 3. That is 15 divided by 5. So 15 divided 5 we get 3. Okay. Come to the next question. Third. 9 divided 6 minus 3. So this is 9 divided 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So 9 divided 3 we get the answer 3. Look here. Is it clear? Come to the next question 6. Question number 6 we are going to do. This question is 7 plus 18 divided 9 plus 3. Okay, in this question, first of all we will solve the inside bracket. So this is 7 plus 18 divided 9 is 2 plus 3. Now we will solve this outside bracket. This is 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 3. Okay, we get 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. This is the answer we get. Come to the next question number 9. This is 60 divided 3 multiply 5 divided by 27 minus 2. This is a question. Look here. Now first of all we have to solve the inside bracket. So 60 divided 3. If we divide 60 by 3 we get 20. Because 23 is a 60. Multiply 5 divided by 27 minus 2 is 20. So the next question is question 9. This is 60 divided 3 inside bracket multiply 5 divided by 27 minus 2. So first we will solve the inside bracket, that is 60 divided 3 is equal to 20 multiply 5. 60 divided 3 is 20. This is multiply 5 divided by 27 minus 2 is 25. Okay. So 25 is 100 divided 25. So if we divide 100 by 25 we get the answer 4 because 25 4s are 100. Come to the next question 11. This question is 3 plus 4 into 5 divided to minus 6 divided by 7. This is the question. Look here. So we will solve the inside bracket first. 4 5s are 20 divided to minus 6. These all numbers are in the bracket. Okay. Divided by 7. Okay. Now the step of division here. This is 3 plus 20 divided 2 is 10 minus 6 divided 7. Okay. Now this is 3 plus 10 is 13 minus 6 divided 7. Okay. 13 minus 6 is 7 divided by 7. We get the answer 1. Look here. Now come to question number 15. Question number 15. This is 4 by 5 of 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. This is a question. Now we are going to solve the inside bracket first. 4 by 5 of, we have to add these fractions. LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. 9 divided 9 is 1. 1 4 is 4. Plus 9 divided 3 is 3. 3 2 is 6. Divided, this is mixed fraction. We have to convert it. 3 2 is 6 and 2 8. This is 8 by 3. Now this is 4 by 5 of 4 plus 6 10. This is 10 by 9 divided 8 by 3. Okay. So this is 4 by 5. Of means multiply. This is 10 by 9. Here in place of sign of division we will put the sign of multiply, and in place of 8 by 3 we will write 3 by 8. Now sign of multiply is here. We will simplify these three fractions. So look here, this is 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 2 is cut with this 2, 3 3s are 9. We are left with 1 over 3. This is the answer. So come to the next question, 16. Question number 16. This question is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 divided to 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into 7 by 8 divided 1 by 4. So first we are going to solve the brackets. We will add these fractions. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 4 divided 4 1. 1 3 is 3. Plus 4 divided 2 is 2. 2 1s are 2. Divided by, this is a mixed fraction. We will convert it. 2 2s are 4 and 1. 5 by 2 minus, this is, we can cancel these fractions, simplify these. 2 4s are 8. So this is 7 by 3 4s are 12. Okay. Divided by, this is mixed, we will convert it. 4 1s are 4 and 1, 5 by 4. The next step, 3 plus 2 by 4, that means 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2 minus 7 by 12 divided 5 by 4. So we will simplify this and this. So this is 5 by 4 multiply 2 by 5 minus 7 by 12 multiply 4 by 5. So this is 5 is cut with 5, 2 is cut with 2, 4, 2 2s are 4 here. This is 4, 3s are 12. We get 1 by 2 minus 7 by, this is 3 5s are 15. Now we will simplify this 1 by 2 minus 7 by 15. By 2 minus 7 by 15. Now we will take the LCM of 2 and 15. That will be equal to 30. 30 divided 2 is 15. 15 ones are 15. Minus 30 divided 15 is 2. 2 sevens are 14. So 15 minus 14 1. This is 1 by 30 is the answer. Okay. Come to the next question. 17. Question is 4 1 by 2 plus 4 2 by 3 divided by 5 1 by 2 plus 3 1 by 4. This is the question. Look here. So we will convert the mixed fractions into improper. 2 4s are 8 and 1. 9 by 2 plus 3 4s are 12 and 2. 14 by 3 divided by, this is 2 5s are 10 and 1. 11 by 2 plus 4 3s are 12 and 1. 13 by 4. We have converted all the mixed fractions into the improper fractions. Now this is 9 over 2 plus 14 over 3 divided by, we will simplify these two numbers. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 4 divided 2, 2. 2 11s are 22 plus 4 divided 4, 1. 1 13s are 13. So this is 9 over 2 plus 14 by 3 divided 22 plus 13, 35 by 4. So this is 9 by 2 plus 14 by 3. In place of division, we will put the sign of multiply, and in place of 30 by 4, this will be 4 by 35. Okay, 5. We will simplify these two fractions. This is 7 2s are 40, 7 5s are 35. So we get 9 over 2 plus 2 4s are 8 here and 3 5s are 15. Okay. So this is LCM of 2 and 15 is 30. 30 divided to 15, 59s are 135 plus 30 divided 15 is 2, 2 8s are 16. So we get 135 plus 16, this is 151 by 30. If we divide this 151 by 30, we get the answer 5 1 by 30. Okay, this is the answer that we get. Thank you, students.